STILLFIN. Matt here, chilling with my boy Isaac over here.
Yo.
And we're about to be doing some hiking. I don't know how well we're gonna do with the wood scavenging and all that. As you can see, everything's covered with snow. So I don't think we're gonna find anything, but I hope you enjoy our adventure. So we're gonna get to it.
Good footage.
I know, man, that's why I'm filming. Should have brought some sunglasses or something. Bright out here. This water's really clear, man.
Crystal clear. This is cool.
Yeah, no. Yep. Found a find, dude. There's a shoe. There's a shoe.
Looks like a Timberland, huh?
I don't need it though. I'm wearing boots. Yeah. Isn't that cave?
I don't know.
I remember that. Oh. No, that's not the one I was thinking of. That does go in a little bit, but it doesn't go in as far as you want it to, so.
Wow, dude. This is a nice spot.
Yeah, right?
Cool.
Yep, found a duck nest. I actually walked right past it. I didn't even see it.
It's pretty sick.
Keep on moving. I wish I would have got that. Dude, you're soaked. Yeah. This dude just fell in the water, man. Well, a little bit. His shoes are soaked now.
Yeah, one of them. Good water.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I don't know how to get over right now.
Oh, we don't need to fully cross, man.
I wanted to sit right in the middle, but
Oh,
I guess I am.
Watch, this branch is probably dead as hell.
Dude, this whole fucking tree is dead.
Yeah, I know, it's falling over, man.
The whole tree's
But there's a degree of dead, you know. I'm like inching across, man. Oh, I got something to stand on. And now my ass is getting wet.
Hey, at least it's not your foot.
Yeah, yo, your toes gonna be getting cold pretty quick.
Oh, no. Not yet.
You can't get over there?
No, I was trying to go through there, but I don't know if I would be able to do that. Because anywhere else you would look.
That's somebody's
you know what I mean?
house, man. We really can't go over there.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's pretty cool that we came across this far without, you know, failure. In a sense of a way, we're completely safe. So.
Yo, I want to drink some of this water.
Go for it, dude.
Nah, I'm good, man. I did it once, and I think I had the shits for 2 days.
Fucking, I'll do it. Screw it, I'll do it.
I don't know, man.
Ready?
If you're willing to, dude, go ahead. All right. Yeah. And we'll see what the aftermath is afterwards, yo.
Yep.
Ooh. Hey, found something. Even though I don't need any of it, but we got a TV. Oh, man. Starters. Something. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
I think it's just a tarp.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a tarp.
That's pretty cool though.
Yeah. Damn, it just keeps going. Whoa! Ah, it's just a tarp. I got my hype up, yo. I walked across it and all of a sudden it sank and left a weird noise, and I was just like, I gotta know what this is. It was right next to the plate. I didn't even know it. Whoa, almost tripped up.
This reminds me of the summer.
Yeah, it was good days. Oh, deer, deer, deer. Two of them. Two deer just ran.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
I'm starting to get snow blindness, man. I can't see anything. Wait until I get into a dark area. Holy crap. Chilling under the bridge. This dude's sitting up here. We ain't finding much out in the woods right now, but we definitely found a cool spot and all that, so. Here comes the geese. They're gonna attack us. Yeah, yo, so you want to see something that kind of pisses me off? This trespassing signs, man. These trespassing signs. This is completely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You can't tell me that I can't walk across property that's owned by somebody else, man, because this property was here before any human being ever was. So this sign can go to hell. I'm sick of it, man. It go to hell. It's bad nice around here.
So is, dude. So calm.
Yeah, yo. Ah, stuck. Oh, I'm stuck again. And I lost my can. Yeah. Oh, there's a deer looking at me. Right there. Right there. I don't know if y'all could see that.
That's really cool.
Maybe once it runs or something. There it goes. That was awesome. Whoa. Jeez. Yeah, we're starting to head back now. There's the waterfall. Here, Cheez-It, buddy. There you go. Shut up, wait. Ah, you bastard, you bit me. Oh my god, this is dope. This is dope. Give your friends some food too, man. Savage. Oh, hold on, wait. Hey, get some food too. Hey. Dude, that bill feels nuts. You're not out here. I got a little more. You don't bite me. Ow! This is cool. Hi, yo. I got a little bit more and I'm out. Hey, you get some? You're a savage, man. Savage. That's all I got left, guys. Okay, so we found nothing crazy today, right? Nothing crazy, unfortunately. But hey, it did snow. We couldn't really see the ground too much, but other than that, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I had a good time. You know, that snowfall, that looked beautiful out there today, man. Hands down.
Heck yeah, it did.
And we had a nice little hike and all that, but next time, hopefully we find something awesome. Hopefully the snow's gone by then too. So yeah, right. We're on the break of like spring right here, man. It snowed 2 days right after it became spring and all that. So other than that, my name is STILLFIN, all caps, one word, and thank you for watching.